You know what sucks? When you're out just washing your car and your pressure washer explodes. Shouldn't make jokes. I know. But here's what's happened 40 some pressure washers have reportedly exploded. 30 some injuries were reported to the user and bystanders, which I really hope aren't a bunch of children who are around helping dad wash the car. No deaths that have been reported. So what has happened is TTI's issued a recall on two Ryobi pressure washers, and we got both of them here for you. The amount of this is 750,000 pressure washers thereabouts are being recalled, and then some in the United States, mostly in the United States. 764,000 in the U.S., 116,000 in Canada. We got the report right here off the Consumer Product Safety Commission. I'll put a link to this page down below so you can go check it out. But the two models involved are this one, the RY142300 VNM. It's a 2300 PSI pressure washer. And then also their RY142711 VNM 2700 PSI pressure washer. And what's going on is capacitors on the board in these are overheating and exploding. And then when they pop, they make other parts of the pressure washer fly out with it, and it's been hurting people apparently. So this is a unique, I've had two people reach out about this to me today. This is a unique one. I've never heard of something like this happen. I mean, I've seen capacitors pop and stuff like that before, but oh my gosh, it's terrible. And I'm something inside me is wrong. Just the thought of pressure washers, the electrical board on a pressure washer exploding and sending out projectiles. I don't know why. It just gets me in a weird way. So please excuse me. You should not be laughing about this. If you have a Ryobi pressure washer, check out the links down below. Make sure the one you have is not one of these two. Other than that, you should be fine. Should. Anyway, TTI, as I said, recalling, it's pretty serious. Recalling nearly, it was over 250,000, 764,000 plus the 16,000 in Canada. Now, since I got you here, let's go over some of the other recalls that have happened recently. We talked about this one, or I posted it to the community section. That's why you should be subscribed, if nothing else, just to catch the community posts, because I do post any of these recalls, any of the smaller recalls. So this one here, this is the TTI's. This is the rigid line, their nailer. It can nail things other than what are intentional. 64,000 units in the US, 6,500 in Canada. Then we got the Tractor Supply has aluminum loading ramps that basically fail under the weight specified. So 18,000 of those getting recalled. DeWalt grinder flaps, laceration injury hazard. That's already a thing, but apparently they can detach from the grinder. That apparently would be a bad thing. We've got the Werner ladder recall, 20-foot and 24-foot multi-max. This one's kind of nasty. It can it's supposed to lock into place as it's extended, and it might not lock fully and could pose a fall hazard, you think? And then lastly, Leatherman has a knife that has a laceration hazard. It's a knife, right? But apparently, check this out, the tip does not fully go back into the handle and sticks out and can cut you, which is, that's a bad thing, yeah. So anyway, there's your recall notices. If you've got any of these products, I would definitely reach out to the Consumer Product Safety Commission or get the information from there. I'll put links to all of this down below. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.